Well, hey guys, it's Summer with Summer Sweet Shop again, and I know that those kiddos are begging to make some Christmas cookies. And these cookies are sure to please everyone. They're super easy to make and only not using very many colors. So if you want to know how to do your cookie pops and how to insert your stick or straw into your cookie, go over to my other YouTube video showing you how to make these cookie pops. They're super easy and fun, but I do show you in the other video, so just click on over there and check that out. But today we're using my sugar cookie recipe and my favorite royal icing recipe. You can find both of those recipes inside my Cookie Academy that's on my website. That's my beginner's online course teaching you from A to Z how to decorate beautiful and delicious cookies. But you can grab those recipes there. But today we're going to decorate this really cool Christmas tree cookie pop, and it's super easy. You can do this with royal icing or buttercream. Today I'm using royal icing because that's just what I use all the time. But let's go ahead and get started. So I have some green icing and I have it in a bag with a number 21 tip. Any star tip will do. You want to have a bigger star tip because it's a fairly large cookie. But I recommend a number 16, 18, 20, 21. Any of those sizes will work for this. So you're going to take your, once you have baked your cookie, you're going to bake it with the cookie pop, with the straw in there. And you're going to turn it around for the decorating part. And you're going to grab your bag and you're going to squeeze. And then you're going to pull back. So you notice how I'm almost making like a teardrop. And you're going to squeeze and you're making like this shell. And you're going to squeeze, 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 pull back. All right, squeeze, 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 pull back. So you can make this section here, these little areas, as big or as small as you want. So you're going to squeeze. It's all based on how much you're squeezing and how long you're squeezing for in that section. All right, you've already got your first section done. So let's go to the next one. So you're going to squeeze and pull back. And you notice that I'm pulling back towards the middle of the tree. So you're just pulling, squeeze and pull back, squeeze and pull back. So I'm letting it billow out some and then just kind of rounding it and pulling it back. So I'm doing this kind of motion like a wave. So you're going to do different layers. And so you can see here why this would be really good with buttercream. And then you're going to just finish off your layers with a pointed end at the top. So I like to add just a little bit of color onto my cookie. And so I'm just going to take some rainbow sprinkles that I have here. And we're just going to sprinkle them all over the cookie. I mean, who doesn't love rainbow sprinkles? I love colored lights on a tree. And so I think this is great. You could always just use white nonpareils, would also work just as well. Well, you're almost done. I thought that this tree needed some snow on there, so we're going to grab this cookie here and grab our white outline icing. And I'm using my white outline just so that I don't have like major overflow. I want to control that icing, and we're going to add some sanding sugar on the top to make it really nice and shiny. All right. So I'm going to add in my snow, just in like different places all over the cookie. It doesn't really matter where you add in your snow. Just you want to add it, if you have any holes anywhere, you want to just add in a little decoration wherever you want. So now I'm going to add my little snow. And I'm just using my little spoon to spoon it in. And then you want to just dump it out a little. And there you have it. There you have your cookie pop ready to go. My favorite way to package these is using a 5x7 bag, Silo bag. So I have the 5x7 bag, and I have just turned it kind of to the side. I'm going to tuck this under. You could always like tape it or put like a little glue dot in the back to tape it. Just makes it some area, get it out of the way so that it's more flush. And then pull it together here at the bottom. And then I'm using a pre-tied bow that you can get on Amazon, Nashville Wraps. But it makes such a cute cookie pop, great stocking stuffer, and perfect for all ages. And so now they can just eat their cookie and have a good old time. So super fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video. These are so fun to make, perfect for your kids. You're just making 2 colors, green and white, and they are super easy. So if you aren't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can hit the bell button below so that you can be notified when my new videos drop. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful, and I can't wait to see the cookies that you make. Thanks so much, guys, and I will see you next time.